welcome to my channel Tommy's Sheep, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful headband. I really like the pattern, it's very easy to do, so it's good tutorial even for beginners, and you can use this pattern also for other projects as scarves or blanket, for example. You'll need pair of scissors, stitch marker, yarn needle, measuring tape, and I'm going to use this yarn called Universe from Mirafil, and it's mix of wool and modal. And it's up to you what type of yarn you'll pick, and I'm going to use 5mm crochet hook and double yarn. And how I said, I'm going to use double yarn, and always when I have a colorful ball of yarn, I always pick the work with double yarn, because the project will look nicer, more colorful. It will be different color than you'll use just a single yarn. So it's up to you. Okay, so start with a slip knot and then chain 76, and the count of chains should be multiple of 2, and I'm making headband for 4-year-old girl, so it's size for 3 to 5 years old kid. Okay, now we have to start in the second chain and make slip stitch. So this is the second chain where you have to insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull it through and make a slip stitch. In the next chain, make half double crochet. Now slip stitch. Half double crochet. So alternate these 2 stitches all the way across. Slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet. And you should finish with slip stitch. So in the very last chain, make slip stitch. Okay, I'm at the end of the row. This is how it looks like. And now chain 1 and turn your work. From the second row, we are going to use just the back loop. And I'm going to show you what I mean. This is the back loop, what you will use. Not stitches, just this back loop. And always start in very first back loop. So first slip stitch, always start with slip stitch in very first back loop. And then you will alternate 2 stitches like in previous row. So first will be always slip stitch in very first back loop. Now half double crochet. Slip stitch. Half double crochet. So continue working like this across. I am nearly at the end of the second row. When you turn it like this, you can see I have 2 stitches left. So now I'm going to make a half double crochet, last half double crochet in this row, and I'm using the back loop, and always the very last slip stitch goes to the stitch. So don't use just back loop and use both loops. So use stitch. and make a slip stitch. Then chain 1, turn your work and continue working as before. And it's up to you how wide you want the headband to be. I'm going to make 12 rows, and the width of my headband will be 8.7 centimeters. So continue working, pause the video, and then meet me back again and I will tell you what next. Okay, I'm going to show you just, it's really nice, colorful ball of yarn. I don't have a good light, but in real it's a lot of nicer. Okay, I have done 12 rows and now we have to sew both sides together. So now you'll need a yarn needle and put both sides of headband to each other like this. And now you have to put both sides of the headband to each other like this. So now you have 4 layers and you have to sew all 4 layers together. So this is last step what you have to do, and that's all. So now it's easy, just sew it carefully. You have to sew all 4 layers. Then just sew all tails inside the headband, and that's really all. Okay, I hope the tutorial was easy to follow. I hope it was useful for you, and I hope you like the pattern. If you do, put it up. I will be happy for it. If you will have any questions, leave the comment below the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell as well, because you will not miss any my video then. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day and see you very soon. Bye bye.